Anya.
Try to duplicate what you're doing.
And you're on tour as well, promoting the book as well.
Yes.
Are we going to see an album in the future? Because you're not necessarily going to do
Well, honestly, I put it on about last year. I think I'm just never in a rush to put. I do things kind of at my own pace, and so I'll probably do it. Soon.
Oh, look at that,
It
Mum.
was a year ago. I'm like everybody.
That's right. Well, we've got food about the next 90 minutes. Now, of course, at the end of today's programme, whether it could food heaven or food hell for police, it's up to our senior guests, our chefs over there, and some of our viewers to decide which one you get to get in the food heaven or food hell.
Could be related
So,
to him.
food heaven, what would
King
it be?
of Great Britain and
It's
Ireland.
Right. So for me today, I think it's a pork. I can roasted pork.
So this is one of your favourite recipes.
It is. I love it. Yeah.
And what about the journey to food hell?
Well, it's so true.
Prime Ministers.
It's just not a useful ingredient.
Bells.
Oh, yeah, well, why?
It's either pork or tofu. Now I know you've got some great recipes in your book using meat as well, but this is one of my favourite things. It uses a whole roast shoulder of pork rubbed with thyme and salt and some lemon. So first of all, the pork is roasted with some herbs, salt and lemon, and served with mashed potato, homemade applesauce, and some wintergreen.
And Princess Royal and Princess of Orange.
Well, police will be facing food hell. That tofu, which I'm going to serve in an Asian style. The tofu is covered with Szechuan pepper and the flour. They're deep fried, served with egg fried rice, and a little bit of homemade spicy chili jars.
Anya.
Duke of Cumberland.
Have to wait to the end of the show.
Mary,
Find out which one she's going to get. Now, if you'd like to ask questions for any of our chefs today, then you can do that by calling this number. That's 033 or 123 1410.
Cornell, George, Augustus.
123 1410. Live a little later on. And remember, if it gets to you, then I'm going to tell you whether you want police to heaven
Dorothea,
or
or
hell. Then you can also send us your questions to
Oh.
social media now using
That tickles,
hashtags.
Anya.
Right, you feeling hungry?
Yeah.
Hang fire there. You've got food in about 8 minutes' time. It's cooked by this one. 2 Michelin star. It's the Cornish Sheriff of Nottingham, Mr. Sackbait. Now you can start. What are we going to be doing there, Chef?
Okay, we've got this beautiful shoulder of lamb. This is from a lady called Sophia who's based in
Palace in London.
Lincoln. With the basic length.
1760.
Thanks for watching. Bye.